everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 517 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another Dollar Tree makeup product. This is the LA Colors Setting Spray, and this is a new product at the dollar store, and I've never tried out a dollar store setting spray. So this was only $1, and I remember thinking that a setting spray should be a makeup product that I could find at the Dollar Tree, and then I feel like a month or so later, this was at the Dollar Tree. And I'm so excited because I feel like setting sprays can be so simple, like basically just water, and I don't feel like I should be paying a lot of money for a setting spray just because of what it is. So hopefully this will be good. It is so tiny though. It says perfect for travel, which is true. It's 0.22 fluid ounces. Something that I try to do, I don't know if you've noticed, but as part of this trying a new makeup product everyday series, I try out a lot of dollar store makeup products, but I try and alternate between like a more expensive product and then a dollar store product, kind of like every other day. That's what I try and do. But anyways, this product says lightweight, non-sticky finish, sets makeup for all day wear. And it says to spray it 12 to 16 inches away from the face. And that sounds far. I feel like it's usually like 8 to 10 inches that they say, but I basically have to like hold my arm completely out to spray it onto my face. So that sounds difficult, but I'm gonna try it. So I kind of feel like my makeup is looking kind of dull at the moment. It's kind of mattified. So I'm interested to see how this will look on my makeup and if it gives a little bit of glow and light back into my skin. First, I just want to see how the sprayer is. I mean, seems okay. It didn't just like squirt straight out in a line. It seemed to be pretty misty, so I'm gonna go for it. I didn't notice a scent from that, but we'll see once I spray it onto my face. It does have a bit of a scent to it that actually kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Okay, and I like to just take my dampened sponge and press the setting spray into my makeup. I mean, it did leave a few droplets, but actually holding it that far away, I was able to still reach my entire face. So that spray bottle has some distance. Oh, wow. It really is non-sticky. It feels very nice, like fresh. It doesn't really feel like there's anything on my skin. And it also doesn't really look like it changed my makeup at all. I feel like my makeup has the exact same texture as it did before. It didn't really add any glow, which is fine because if it's setting my makeup, then it's just going to set my makeup exactly as how I applied it. But then if you wanted to add in some like hydration or something to your face with a setting spray, you could just select a hydrating, a dewy setting spray that has those qualities in it. But this is just a standard setting spray to help the makeup last longer. So right now I feel like it did a good job of setting my makeup, and it feels good on my skin. It didn't change how my skin is feeling at all. So I'm pretty happy with this, and that sprayer was easy to apply too. But so I will continue wearing this setting spray on my makeup for the rest of the day, and in the description box down below I will put my wear test results, if this kept my makeup lasting longer, if my skin got greasy throughout the day or anything like that, if the makeup breaks up at all. I will put that information in the description box. It's so small though that I'm like, is it worth $1? I feel like this is so small that it's not even worth $1. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it if you've tried it, and if you know of any other dollar store setting sprays. I'm definitely open to trying out more. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.